Hey y'all, come clean my wax pot with me. So you're gonna turn your pot onto the highest settings that it goes to, and then you're gonna let your wax melt down, and then you're gonna throw some paper towels in there and just wipe everywhere. Get every creases and crevices, every corner. Just wipe. And then we're gonna go in with some Goan and spray that pot down to help release some of that stickiness from the wax. Be really careful here because the wax pot is hot and you do not want to burn yourself. Trust me. Like, just wipe. Just continue to wipe. And then I'm gonna go in with some 99% alcohol, spray that down where I did spray the Goan. I want to release that oiliness from the Goan. And just spray it down. Wipe again. Just continue to wipe. Make sure you're wiping good here because you do not want that pot oily. And then you're done. Throw your favorite wax in, and then that's it. Thank you. Bye.